Good morning everyone, welcome to Pi Systems. Today again we come up with a new project. Santosh has done a new project. Santosh, could you please explain about this project today, what you have done here?
Joystick with Arduino, this is project name.
Okay, so what you are doing, you are controlling
Controlling
the
LEDs.
LEDs by the help of a joystick sensor. So
Yeah.
joystick is one kind of a input sensor device which can work or control 360-degree of any kind of a object, right? But here what we are doing, you are just trying to control 4 LEDs with the joystick sensor, right?
Yes.
So how it is working? So you have used the same Arduino code, right? Okay, so Arduino you know, and 4 LEDs is there, you can see. So this 4 LED and this is the joystick device. So joystick device you have connected with what kind of input of the microcontroller?
R3 Arduino.
ADC or what input or GPIO pin?
X and Y axis.
Okay. So Santosh, you have used here analog input, right?
Yeah.
So how many? 2 input you have used here?
A1,
A0 and A1.
Yeah.
Okay, so one A0 is for X axis, A1 is for Y axis. So 2 analog input he has used, and that 2 analog input is connecting with the output of the joystick sensor. I am trying to show you guys. If you go to this, if you can see here, these 2 input is connecting with the analog A0 and A1. You can see it here. This is the A0 and A1. And this 2 is connecting with the output of the joystick device. And the joystick sensor is having 4 connectors, VCC, ground, and X-axis and Y-axis output for the Arduino Uno. I mean the microcontroller input A0, A1. So here again the 4 GPIO pin is being used to control 4 LEDs having different colors, you can see here. So let's see how it is really working. So to do this, he has used this Arduino code. If you see here, this Arduino code he has used to implement this. Scroll it. You can see here how he has implemented. That's it. This is
Yes,
done.
sir.
Yeah. This is the code. If you see here, you can also use this code to implement. Yeah. So this is the code and this is what he has done. So could you please simulate this? If you see here, if you will try to simulate this, let's see, he's just moving into forward, you see 2 LEDs are growing. So it is depending how you control actually. If you see here, how you control the joystick, like that also the LEDs are glowing. If you move it 360-degree, one by one LED also will be glowing. If you see here, right? And let's say I will stop, it will get stopped. I will move it to forward, one LED will be glowing. Again, backward, this is one LED will be glowing. Left, let's say this is for my left, and right. This is how it works. But if I make it into one corner, this 2 LED will be glowing. Here, 2 LED. So the matrix implementation, whatever he has done, in this way it is working. You can also change as per it is how you want. You can do the code changes as per your requirement. Mainly the important is the algorithm. So this is what one of the best application to use the joystick sensor. Generally, as we know, whenever we play the games, there we use the joystick to control the 360-degree by the help of X-axis and Y-axis.
Yeah.
So in this same way, similar way, here he is using in our embedded products to control the LEDs movement. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you everyone for joining.